skill, creativity and attention to detail. As we move forward, this craftsmanship must be supported by technology. The future belongs to those who can combine traditional skill and modern technology. That brings me to the theme of today's conversation, human brilliance in the age of AI. IIG for choosing such a meaningful and timely theme. Artificial intelligence is no longer a technology of the future. It is already changing the way of design jewellery, plan manufacturing, manage internet inventory, understand customers and run businesses. But let's remember one important thing. AI can replace human creativity, it cannot replace imagination, it cannot replace emotion, and it cannot replace the artistic touch of skilled jewelers design on any artisan in the world. AI is a powerful tool. It can help us work faster, it can improve accuracy, it can increase productivity, it can personalize customer experience. But the soul of jewellery will always come from human creativity. The future will belong to professionals who know how to combine human intelligence, creativity and ethics with the power of artificial intelligence. So my message to all the graduating students is very simple. Never stop learning, keep upgrading your skills, learn new technologies, understand AI, use it wisely. But never lose your creativity, your values or your passion for excellence. That combination will make you successful anywhere in the world. I would also like to say a few words to the parents gathered here today. Thank you for believing in your children's dreams. Your support, sacrifice and encouragement have brought them to this proud moment. This achievement belongs to you as much as it belongs to them. To my friends from the industry, our responsibility doesn't end with appreciation of young talent. We must continue to invest in education. We must create more opportunities for entrepreneurship, training and mentorship. Educational institutions and industry must work together even more closely because today's students will shape tomorrow's gem and jewellery industry. India is today one of the world's leading gem and jewellery manufacturing and sourcing centers. Our vision is much bigger. Our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi has set a target of $100 billion US by year 2047. We all are dreaming for Viksit Bharat. Students here, gathered here, will be the part of this beautiful journey. We want India to become a global leader in the gem and jewellery business. That journey will be led by young professionals like the graduates sitting before here today. I am confident that each of you will contribute to strengthening India's position on the global stage. As you begin this new chapter, remember that your degree is not the destination. It is the beginning. It is your knowledge, your values and your willingness to keep learning that will define your success. Once again, I congratulate every graduating student. I congratulate the parents. I congratulate the faculty. And I congratulate the entire IIG family on completing 60 years of excellence and its outstanding contribution to the education, skill development and national building. I wish each one of you a bright future.